In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new app that anyone from anywhere in the world can use to get free PayPal money. It requires no investment, it works worldwide, and it pays through PayPal with other payment options available as well. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online, and I'm going to be showing you the best strategy combined with this app that'll help you do just that. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll show you 2 bonus websites that you can use with this app to make money as soon as today. So if you ever wanted to make money online, watch the full video and follow along step by step. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation of the best way to make money online, just click the first link in the description below this video. I'm Money Mark, and on this channel I share tips on affiliate marketing, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you build and scale your online business. With that being said, let's get into the video. Here you can see all of the different payment options that you can choose from to get paid, which is PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeer, Advanced Cash, Perfect Money, and RTM. And as soon as you have a balance of $3 in your account, you can cash out and spend that money on whatever you choose. So right before we start, I want to show you proof that this actually works. And as you can see here, all of these people are already making money with this website, and they're being paid every couple of minutes. And these people are coming from all countries all around the world. So this is definitely a website that pays well, and the strategy that I'm getting ready to show you works really well. So let me show you exactly how you can set this up for yourself. Step number 1, before you even get to the app, you need to go over to Google and search for different articles and blog posts that you think people would be interested in reading. Don't worry, you don't need to have your own website or media following or YouTube channel. So just go over to Google and search for whatever you think people would be interested in reading. Maybe anything that's trending, articles with strange facts, or anything that you think people would be interested in clicking on. For example, I'm going to search for 10 interesting facts about water. As you can see, I'm not only focusing on one niche. I'm not only looking for pets, weight loss, or something that will only be appealing to a specific group of people, but actually trying to focus on something that millions of people would like to know. So for example, 100 amazing water facts that you should know, or whatever you think would be appealing to a large group of people. You could even select unusual stories or bizarre unusual facts that you think a large group of people would be interested in. It could even be something about an actor, movie star, or a YouTube star. I just want you to find something that you think a lot of people would be interested in. So once you find that article, what I want you to do is just to right click on it and copy that link. So once you copy the link to that article, step number 1 is complete. So all you have to do is go over to Google and find the article or a blog post that you think a lot of people will find interesting and copy the link. For step number 2, I want you to come over to this app called exe.io. Now you can either use this on your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or your computer. I'm using my laptop because it's easier for me to explain and show it to you. This is over at exe.io. This is a place where you can shorten, share, and earn money. You can shorten long URLs or long links, and you can share with friends, family, and everyone basically. And when anyone clicks on a link that you shortened, you will get paid. So they don't need to sign up for anything, they don't need to spend any money, and they don't have to buy anything. All they have to do is click and you will get paid. Now that's amazing, because it's a lot easier to make someone click on a link than to sign up or buy something. And as you can see, you only need 3 simple steps. First, create an account, and I'm going to show you how to register for free. Second, I'm going to show you exactly how to shorten your links. And third, you will earn money and you will see how it works. Now the reason we're using this app is because they have the highest rates, which means you'll get the most amount of money for those clicks. You'll also get detailed statistics of who's actually clicking on your links. And they also have a really nice referral program. So if you like to share that link with your friends and family, or someone that would be interested in making money with exe.io, you can just share that referral link and you can earn 15% of their lifetime earnings, which means you can collect passive income for a lifetime just for referring someone. And if that person makes $1,000, you will make $150 without lifting a finger. Now I want you to come over to exe.io, click on the sign up button right here so you can create an account. Then you just need to create a username, enter your email address, enter a password, then retype it for confirmation. and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on it and then click register, and you've created your account on exe.io. Once you create your account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. As you can see, you can track your views, your earnings, your referral earnings, and the CPM, which is the cost per 1,000 clicks that you get from your link. So that's going to vary. Your earnings per click is going to be lower or higher depending on where the clicks are coming from. If it comes from a top tier country, then obviously you're going to make more money. And if it's coming from a developing country, then your earnings will be lower. That's because whenever someone clicks on your shortened link, they'll be redirected to a landing page for ads, and they'll be shown those ads, which they can skip. And as soon as they skip those ads, they'll be redirected to the article that you originally shared. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So exe.io is just splitting the ad revenue with you, which is why they have the CPM. And that's how this actually works. And that's how they're actually paying you for those clicks. So if you're going to ask me if this is a genius system, yes. Because the person that clicks doesn't need to spend any money whatsoever, and they could just skip those ads. So exe.io is making money, and you're also making money easily. So once you start making money and you have a balance of $3, you can go over to withdrawals right here, and you can select whichever payment option you prefer. In my case, I would just choose PayPal. So you would just enter your PayPal email address and cash out and spend the money on whatever you want to. But before that, you need to start getting those clicks. Once you grab that interesting article from Google, I want you to click on Create Link right here. So you can shorten the link of that article or blog post which you think people would click on and would be interested in reading. This is why I suggested that you pick articles that would be interesting to a lot of people. So just paste that link here and click Create. And that's going to give you the shortened exe.io link. You can copy that, and whenever someone clicks on this link, you will get paid. So now you just need people to click on this link. And to make this work, you need to find people who would be interested in reading the article. So now I'm going to show you two different traffic sources that you can use to get those clicks automatically and hands-free, even if you don't have any social media followers, and even if you're a complete beginner. Now the first traffic source is over here at Hercules.com. This is a website that will allow you to advertise any link daily for free. So it gives you an entire email list, and you can send one email with one click to thousands of different people every single day for free. And there's a good chance that a lot of them are clicking on your link. Once again, each time someone clicks on your link, you'll get paid. The second traffic source that you can use is not for free, but it will allow you to get more clicks a lot easier. This is over at shortcart.com. You could browse all the different influencers on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, and they could advertise your link to thousands of people for a really, really low price. For example, if you look under featured influencers, you could advertise for $35, and I could promote my shortened link to 234,000 people. Out of 234,000 people, if I get at least 10,000 clicks on my link, and I'm making $10 for every 1,000 clicks, that's $100. So I just made $65 profit without lifting a finger. Because all you have to do is pay $35, give them your link, and they'll promote it. You can create a snowball effect with this. So if you have $35 to start investing into this, you can invest into one shout out, and if you start making money of around $100 to $110, just reinvest some of that money back into more shout outs. The more you make, the more shout outs you buy, and from bigger pages. Once again, you're creating a snowball effect, and you could buy those shout outs every single day, and you could get those clicks on a regular daily basis automatically. You could advertise to millions of people with ShoutCart, and you could get hundreds of thousands of clicks on your shortened links. Just make sure that those articles and those blog posts that you find in Google are actually appealing and interesting, so a lot of people would click on them. So once again, whenever someone clicks, you make money. So this is a really good way to earn some extra cash online. So start for free with Hercules, get some clicks to earn money, and just start reinvesting back into ShoutCart and try to build some kind of business with this. It's a really good one, and it's easy since you could do it with just your phone. And you're all set. Thanks for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope this idea stirred up some inspiration for you to get started and begin to make money online. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you build and scale your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.